Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to retire from your 9 to 5 and have no idea of where to start, then you have come to the right channel. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're talking about the Cash Building System Unlimited. If you can mail a postcard, you can make money. Today we are talking about my #1 business model, which is the Cash Building System Unlimited, and the benefits of creating videos or having a YouTube channel. If you haven't seen this business model, please go back and visit my previous videos to get more information. So let's get started. Whether you are joining the Cash Building System Unlimited or you already have a business, you need to understand the benefits of starting a YouTube channel and how it can help not only grow your business, but help double your business. Here are some of the benefits of having a YouTube channel. You are building an audience. When you start a business, the main thing you want to do is have an audience of people that know, like, and trust you. When you build an audience and you're being honest, transparent, and not giving false information, you have an audience that will trust you. That audience will follow you to the end. Just like with anything else, when you become reliable and dependable and have information that others are looking for, and it's good information, and it's information that can help them with a problem that they have, you are definitely going to benefit from building that audience in the future. The second benefit of having a YouTube channel is that it's another source of traffic. With the Cash Building System Unlimited, we all know that is a postcard mailing business that can be done completely offline. You don't have to do any online marketing for that business in order to make money. But for me, I choose to do both. I choose to mail the postcards as well as build this channel as another source of traffic. And also just to learn another form of marketing for myself so that I can better understand how YouTube works, YouTube's algorithm works, and just to become knowledge and have another tool that I can understand under my belt. Third reason why it's a really good idea to have a YouTube channel is that it's another source of income. Believe it or not, guys, you can earn income once you build up your channel. Now, this is not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen in 3 months. It's not going to happen in 6 months, and it might not happen in a year. Now, there are some people that start on YouTube and blow up in the first month or so, but that is not the norm. YouTube is the long haul. YouTube to me is what I call digital real estate. You want to make sure that when you create content that it is evergreen content. Evergreen content means that no matter what year it is content that people are still seeking out, content that can still help someone no matter what year it is, or what time of season it is. It is evergreen, means that it can always be used. Now with YouTube as another source of income, you can earn another source of income with YouTube with AdSense. Now with AdSense, there are some criteria that you have to meet in order to qualify for AdSense. One is that you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 viewing hours. Now, I want to tell you this, guys. Do not start a YouTube channel, at least in my eyes. I'm not starting my YouTube channel because I want the AdSense. because I will tell you this, AdSense, the money from AdSense, it will not change your life. It's going to take a while before it even become a significant source that you can apply towards anything in your life. But in the process of it, eventually it will come to that if you stick to building that channel. But don't let that be the driving force of why you're starting a YouTube channel. Focus on the content creation and the process of growing your channel. Once you do that, you will get loyal followers, you will build a loyal audience, and you will get people that would like and 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 depend on you for great resources and content on a daily basis. Okay? So those are the 3 benefits, guys, of building a YouTube channel. Now, don't get me wrong, there is a heck of a lot more benefits, but I don't want to keep the video going for too long. And again, if this content was of value to you, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are interested in starting a business so that you can retire early and quit your 9-to-5, please click in the description box below to join the Cash Building System Unlimited. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.